Hi everyone, I'm Bing with the San Jose Public Library. I'm so excited to present to you how to register for Tutor account and get benefit from its services. You can connect with a tutor who speaks Spanish or Vietnamese. You can also request to have your favorite tutor who has worked with you previously. You can send over your request and get the feedback overnight. Tutor can assist you with studying, test preparation and homework help in more than 40 subjects in math, English, science and social studies. Now please move on to how to register for the services. First, you need a library card. If you do not have a library card, please register online at sjpn.org/membership for an e-library card. After that, you open a browser and type in sjpn.org/eresource/tutor.com. That's back will link to tutor.com and click Get Started to register for your account. Fill in the form with your contact information. You can select the language you like, choose the topic, the subject, and the grade. So type in your math question. Type in your question. And then click Connect Now. Another example. You have a science question. Now type in your question here. The tutor will not give you an answer. Instead, they will support you by asking you questions and guiding you step by step to help you understand your problem and solve it confidently. Here are some useful links for you. I almost finished my presentation today, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at sjpn.org/chat.